Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is an updated room tour and I'm so excited to finally be filming this. We're in the middle of spring recruitment and today is house tour day. So of course we have to have our rooms clean so that we can like show them off. And so I got my roommate's permission to film our room. And so that's exactly what I'm gonna do today. I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, so starting at the door, we have a coat rack, which is super nice. So we have some extra storage other than our closets. And then we're gonna come down this hall, and in this hall is our room. So I just have like this door hanger since we have the coat racks back there. I just put this on the bathroom door and I put my purses and my workout sweatshirt there. This is my dresser. In this top drawer, sorry, I have eyeliner. I should have taken that off, but oh well. In this top drawer, I have underwear, bras, pajamas, t-shirts, and jeans, and other pants down there. This is my roommate's closet and her flag. She's kind of like, I don't know, she's hippie-esque, and I love it. She's very, very stylish, and I love her style. It's very, very, very cute. So that's her side. Love her giant tapestry. Over on this side is my side, obviously. So my bed. And also I forgot to mention this tapestry I got for Christmas, which I forgot to mention in the what I got for Christmas video. But yeah, I just have like all my canvases and stuff. And obviously that one's my favorite. I also love that one up there. And then I also have this arrow, which I put there to make like positive vibes, you know, always looking up. And then my dream board, my Idaho from my her name is Maggie. I have meant to put my clipboard up, which is on my dresser back there, but I just haven't yet. I also want to shout out to my because she got me both of these Seahawks things, and I just love it because I have so much Seahawks stuff. Like, it's just stupid. So shout out to Mags. Love you, Nugget. And then my closet, I'll get into there in a second. And then my desk. There's not really a lot that has changed. Hello. Since the last time, but I'm going to show you kind of like an updated makeup collection. I am having a haul soon, so you will see that coming. Just keep an eye out. So this is my desk drawer. This is where I keep all my palettes. This is the Carly Bybel, Kathleen Lights, Jaclyn Hill is under there, Sweet Peach. This is the Morphe 35B, my blush palette, 35O, Yes Please, my Kathleen Lights, Naked 3s, and my Sephora makeup bag palette. And then I have just like other random beauty things, travel size, beauty products, sticky notes, scrunchies, bobby pins, a picture of Kathleen, obviously. And then I just have my organizer, which, you know, like I said, nothing has really changed, and I can get into more detail if you would like, but just basically the same setup. And also shout out to my friend Brock. Go check him out. This album is on iTunes and it's really good. My favorite song is Spanish Girl, so shout out to you, Brock. And then our windowsill is really, really big, so we have a lot of storage up here. I just have an extra primer, a mic, tripod, and a studio light from my friend Christy, so shout out to her too. And then my birthday gift from Sephora, some nail stuff, lotion, water bottles, extra RCMA powder, and a picture of my family over here. And then in this little corner, I got my trash can. I just went to the Vandal store here at the U of I. A 3-drawer set. This magazine with Selena Gomez on it, my journal, some lottery tickets, another water bottle, some like a candle, some oils, and a body scrub, a picture of me and my brother. And then I have my NYX Liquid Suede Vault and all of my nail polishes over here. I have my trash, which not because they are trash, just because that's the only place to put them for right now. Okay, going back to my closet, I have a Shawn Mendes calendar with my keys hanging up, my composites, and some other things. Going into my closet, I didn't do this last time, but it has the same setup and I have my sweaters all rolled up here, and then I have hats in this top one, and then my shoes go in like color order. So yeah, that one's like messy, but and then scarves on the bottom, and then I have all my boots on the very bottom in here. Clothes are in color order, so white through black, and then red, like, and then like once it hits dresses I start over, and everything goes from tank to long sleeve in that order. I have my robe, towel, everything. This is like medical supplies and school supplies. And then up there I just have some extra storage for stuff like my crafting things, you know, because being in a sorority, that's what you do. So yeah, that's basically it. Okay guys, that is all for this room tour. I can go into more detail, but I have already filmed something very similar to this, so if you would like, go see that and you can get more information. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to click the subscribe and like buttons, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.